Okay, now we have to do a mail merge for the labels that we're trying to create. So we open up a new Word document, go to Mailings, start mail merge, and we're making labels. Okay, hit that. The labels that we're working with are Avery US letter, so there might be, you might have to file through here and find this. Once you find this, there's just a multitude of them that you have to file through, and ultimately you want to get to 5160 address labels. And once it's done the first time, usually this will just pop up, so you won't have to worry about it except for the first time. Hit OK. Okay, so far so good. Now we want to select the recipients. So we go up here, select recipients, use an existing list, the list that we just created. So we click on that. Remember the name of it. It was the 2019 Junior League, so we're just going to do a quick search for that. And there it is. Okay. Now I hit open. This is computer gibberish. I'm just going to click OK. All right, now what it wants me to do is develop the format. So I have to come over here, write in and insert fields. Okay, so I'm inserting the fields. Fields are the columns in the spreadsheet. So like first name, last name, all of that. This is going here. I want first name. So that's going to pull the first name out of each record and put it right there. Now I want to have the last name, but we have to remember we have to put the proper punctuation in. So I need a space. Hit a space. Come back here. Insert last name. Now I want to set do another line for address. For the addresses. Address 1. Hit return, go to the next line, do the same process, this time for city. Now I need a comma and a space. And state, I think you get the idea by now. Zip. All right. Now, as you see, that is our template. That's what we want them all to contain. So what we have to do next is update the labels. By doing this, it will do all of them. As you can see now, they all have the same exact thing. Preview. Now we go here to preview the results. This is what it's going to look like. Okay. Now we come over here. This is a little weird, but this is, I've monkeyed with this all night, and this is the way to do it. Hit edit individual documents. Takes it some time. Now I have all of the labels here. All the names from our list are on here now. Now I simply hit print. There's going to be 18 sheets. I hit print and make sure you have the labels correct. Have the labels loaded correctly in the printer, and once you hit print, you should be good to go.